In a quaint town nestled between rolling hills, lived a young inventor named Alex. With dreams of creating a groundbreaking device, Alex toiled day and night in a small workshop. The first prototype, despite meticulous planning, failed spectacularly, leaving Alex disheartened. Yet, instead of giving in to defeat, Alex analyzed the failed attempt, identifying weak points and learning valuable lessons. Each setback became a stepping stone, guiding the next iteration. Undeterred, Alex dove back into the workshop, fueled by the determination to turn failure into success. As months passed, the workshop echoed with the sound of clinking tools and the hum of creativity. Failure after failure, each version of the invention brought Alex closer to perfection. The setbacks weren't roadblocks but rather arrows pointing toward the right path. The townsfolk, initially skeptical, watched in awe as Alex persisted. The setbacks became part of the narrative, a tale of resilience and unwavering resolve. Alex's mindset transformed. Every failure was a challenge, not a defeat. One day, after numerous attempts, the workshop burst into life with a soft hum. The invention, a marvel of innovation, worked seamlessly. The town that had witnessed the journey erupted in cheers as Alex emerged, not just as an inventor but as a symbol of perseverance. In the face of adversity, Alex's mantra of trying again had not just led to success but had become an inspiration for others. The once failed attempts were now anecdotes of triumph, illustrating that success wasn't merely about avoiding mistakes but navigating through them with determination. Success often eludes us on the first attempt, making perseverance a crucial element of achievement. The best way to succeed is to try again, armed with the lessons learned from previous experiences. Each failure brings valuable insights, refining our approach and building resilience. Success is not merely about avoiding mistakes but navigating through them with determination. Embracing a mindset that views setbacks as stepping stones and not roadblocks fosters personal growth and eventual triumph. In the face of adversity, trying again becomes a powerful mantra, propelling individuals toward their goals with unwavering resolve. Tied a story. As the sun set over the hills, casting a warm glow on the town, Alex stood, not just as an inventor, but as a testament to the power of resilience and the unwavering belief that trying again is the key to unlocking the door to success.